What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do unboxing of my new Sony camera, which is the Sony ZV-E1, as you guys can see from the thumbnail and the title. So it basically come in this big package right here. I basically purchased this on Amazon with all the accessories that comes inside. You guys gonna see that. So I get lens with it, I get camera strap, I get memory card. I also get a lot of things inside, carrying case for your SD card, and also some extra batteries. So I'm going to unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. And this is basically my first mirrorless camera, actually my first camera. I shoot all of my videos on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I'm using right now to shoot this video. So I'm just going to unbox this big package right here, let you guys see what's inside. Unbox it over here. So this is what I also got in the package. So this is like a carrying bag for your camera from KO. I'm not sure if that's pronounced correct. That's how it looks. Camera bag right here. So I'm gonna unbox them in a few so you guys can see all the things that come inside this package right here. I'm just gonna take them out of the box to show you. So in the package I get this Sony 50mm f1.8 lens, which also come in the package. Also in the package we have this SD card right here, which is 128 gig. You guys can see, and right here also in the package we have the carrying case, memory card, carrying case right here. As you can see, it's the same brand, which basically give me the packaging. And also in the package we have right here the battery, extra batteries, which come inside this package right here. So this is the 200 milliamp battery that come inside, and they have two extra pack. We have the charging case as well to charge the batteries from outside the camera, which is pretty great. That's why I go with this package right here. And also we have the main thing of this video. Ta-da! The camera right here, guys. Sony ZV-E1, which is basically what comes inside this package right here. I'm just gonna unbox it so you guys can see what all things that come inside each of these. As you guys can see right here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, about 6 stuff that come inside. So it's gonna be a long unboxing of all these stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna do a video on each of them separately so you guys can go through. Also I'm gonna put timeline or time stamp in this video so you guys can go through to see all the unboxing of these separately as well. So I'm just gonna unbox each of them first. I'm gonna leave the main thing for last, which is the camera right here, so stick around. Alright guys, so these are all the extra accessories that I got in the package with the Sony ZV-E1. So this is from Koa, and these are the package. So we have a carrying case right here, we have a case as well for the SD card, and we have 2 extra batteries also which come inside this package. So I'm going to unbox this bag right here to show you guys the compartment and also some of the things that we got inside the bag. So in this part right here you can carry some things. You have a compartment right here, this part as well, a compartment, you have one inside right here. That's it for right here. So in the package you have a lot of compartment as well. You have one part right here which can carry your stuff as well. Pull this, as you can see, you can carry your stuff right here. Also in the package we have a wrist strap. We have some more accessories right here. I'm not sure what this is. Also we have one more thing inside right here. Then unbox this. So these are some cleaning tool for your camera thing or for your lens. And some cleaning cloth right here, and we have a lot of stuff that come inside. So this right here, plus cleaner. Also got some wiping utensil. We have something right here. I'm not sure what this is. So in the package right here we have a tripod, and see you can place a camera right here, which looking pretty neat. So inside the bag we have another strap right here, and this is for the bag itself. One more something in here. I think this is a compartment of the bag that you can use to separate each part, like so. You can put this in a bag like this to separate it how we want it. You can adjust it to your likings to fit to your needs. Yeah, so this is basically how the bag look, guys, and it looking pretty neat so far. This is the carrying case right here, memory card carrying case, something like this. So unbox it out. Looking pretty neat, as you guys can see right there. How this thing open, how open from this side. So it looks, so you can carry all your card inside right here, and something like this. Pretty neat. So you can carry the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slots. You can put your micro card and your normal SD card as well inside right here. Also have a card reader, micro SD card, normal SD card right there, USB type C, normal USB. Looking pretty neat. Alright, so inside right here we have the strap for the carrying case. Looking pretty neat. We have a memory card. This is a 128 gig. Now this is a V30 card, normal SD card, which gonna work fine into the camera. Not gonna give you those super 4K 60 footage, but it will do the job for now. Write speed for 100 megabytes. Looking pretty great for now. Now guys, we're going to unbox this battery right here. So this is the off market battery from Koa, which is gonna fit into this camera quite fine. We have the user manual as well. So we have the battery right here, as you can see, which is 2000 million amp battery. Work really great on this camera. We have the charging adapter I use to charge the batteries. Also we have the USB cable, the type A. Also we have one more battery inside right here. So there are two of the battery, guys, that come inside. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the unboxing now of this Sony FE 50mm lens right here, f.1. Come in this package, as you can see right here. The ring, the camera outer layer for the lens. So we have the lens right here. This is the 50mm, looking really neat, as you can see right here. Also in the package we have the user manual. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to unboxing of the Sony ZV-E camera, which come inside alpha lines of cameras. This one, to be exact, is the Sony ZV-E1 vlog camera, and I'm just gonna unbox it right now so you guys see what's inside. So inside it we have some user manuals, these we can go through, also some video suits and those things, photoshops can go through. In the camera we have the lens right here inside, and this lens right here is a 28 to 60 millimeter lens, as you can see, which can fit the Sony E mode. You have aperture of 4, which looking pretty great. Also in the package you have the camera strap right here. So we have the battery for the Sony camera, C batteries. Inside right here we have the dead cat. Then for the main events, the camera right here itself. So guys, this is the camera body right here, Sony Alpha camera body, which is looking pretty neat, as you can see right here. Alright guys, so this is how the camera look right here, which is looking pretty neat. You can flip this out to get that flip screen looking. Turn this. screen in. That's how it basically looks. Now the camera is basically right there, guys, looking pretty neat, as you can see right here. Pull this part right out here. We have a dead cat on it right there. Feel very comfortable in my hand. Looking pretty neat, guys. That's how it look. So guys, I'm so excited to have this camera right here, as you guys can see. So now I'm having right now the lens on it. This is a 28 to 60mm lens on it right here. Please extend by rotating. Okay, so extend lens like this for it to work. So you guys can see right there, it's now shooting. You can see, looking pretty neat, as you can see right here. And I'm basically gonna use this now on for all my YouTube videos. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel to see more update on this type of camera right here and the footage that I'm going to be pushing with this quality right here. I get this SD card inside, but I'm gonna upgrade to like a V90 or V60 card to get some better footage, 4K footage. This is that for the memory card, and this uses the SD card. Right here we have the HDMI, main HDMI, and also headphone. Right here we have the mic and the USB connection right here. We can use to charge it from inside the camera if you want to do that. I'll install my memory card inside. Now that's out looking, so you can see right there I'm recording to 4K 30. This is the card strap right here. Just gonna pull this out and hook it up. Alright guys, this one right here is the wrist grip strap, as you can see. So you can tighten this part right here to get it close on your arm, so that when you're shooting, your camera doesn't fall off very easily. And you unlike this, and you can hold your hand very sturdy. You can clip it up like this if you want. Don't want to do that, you can clip it on. Work perfect on right here with the camera. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is my unboxing of this Sony ZV-E1 right here. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel to see more future update of this product. I'm going to do a lot of review shots with this camera right here. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you find this video very helpful. See you guys in my next video. Peace out. Now before I go, I'm going to put a link for all of these in the description, so make sure you guys check it out to see the links of all this product that is mentioned in this video.